Hey everyone, this is Cliff with Solidworkszen. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Weatherman umbrella, which is supposedly the best umbrella in the world. Hey look, here comes a rainstorm. My conclusion is that the umbrella is the best umbrella I've ever owned before. It's designed very well. Click on the link below for more information. Thank you. Look what came in the mail today. So let's open this up. This is the Weatherman umbrella. This is what it looks like in its closed position. It's pretty compact. This is a nice navy blue color. It has this nice reflective coating for safety. It has two Velcro clips. And there's a button right here to extend it. So that's interesting. It doesn't fold over like most other umbrellas do. And so this is the app. You can see it says play sound. It's pretty cool, so you can really never lose this umbrella. The other really cool thing about this app is that you can set it up so that if it's rainy when you're leaving the house, it will remind you and let you know to bring your umbrella with you. And when you're done with it, it folds up like this. There's two straps. And this case goes over it. And it's really convenient.